How to make Google form not require sign in. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can make Google form not require sign in. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google form and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, you have to select the form where you want to make the required or is the sign in not required. After you have opened up your form, now you have to get to the settings. For that, head towards this top section. There is the settings option. You have to click on it. Now on the settings, you have to expand this responses option. Scroll down a bit and here it says require sign in. If you have toggle this on, you have to toggle this off. And once you toggle it off, when you share your form, the responder will not have to sign in order to fill the form. So in this way, you can turn off the sign in, or in this way you can make the form not require the sign in option. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.